Welcome students in our mathematics class of class 10th. That is the topic is coordinate geometry and question number 3 of exercise 7.1. Determine if the points 1, 5, 2, 3 and minus 2, 11, minus 11 are collinear. First of all, we have to define collinear. What is collinear? If two or more points are lies on a line is known as collinear. That is this is one. If two or more points lies on a line are collinear. So with the help of distance formula, now let us take A, that is 1.5, B 2, 3 and C minus 2 minus 11. Now with the help of distance formula, we show that these 3 points are collinear. To put, that is, first of all we have to find the distance formula. What is our distance formula? That is root में x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. First of all we have to find AB. Now write this root AB, x1 y1 x2 y2. So x2 2 minus 1 whole square plus 3 minus 5 whole square. This can be written as square root 2 minus 1 square plus minus 2 square. This is equal to root में 1 plus 4 and now this can written is root में 5 unit. If the distance formula is find, then we have to write root 5 unit. Again we find that is BC. Now this BC square root using the formula x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Therefore x1 is y2, y1 is equal to 3, x2 is equal to minus 2, y is equal to y2 is equal to minus 11. So write x2 minus x1 minus 2 square plus y2 minus 11 minus y1, that is 3 square. Now this can be written as minus 4 the whole square plus minus 14 square, that is root में 4 4 जा 16 minus का square, that is plus and 14 का square is equal to, now 14 into 14, that is 196, which can be written as 196. So this can be written as 6 6 12 9 1 1 10 1 1 11 1 1 2. This is 2 1 2. Now this can be written as 2 1 2 square root में 2 1 2 root में. Now take the factor 2 into 106 and which can also be written as 2 into 53, that is 2 root में 53. Now this can be written as 2 root में 53. Again we have to find AC or CA, that is CA. Take the formula again, root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So in place of C, that is minus 2 minus 11 and A 1 5 x1 y1 x2 y2. So first of all write x2 minus x1 1 minus 2 whole square y2 minus y1 5 minus 11, this is whole square. So we can write 1 plus 2 square plus 5 plus 11 square. This can be written as square root 3 square plus 16. 5 plus 11, that is 16 square. This is root 9 plus 256, that is 16 square is 16 into 16, which is 16 square. Now 256. So this can be written as square root 96562, and now simplify this. 265, that is 265, take this 2 9 5, that is 5 5 ja, and 5 3 ja 50, no. So this can also be written as root mein 265. Again, by the distance formula, if we have to show these 3 points are collinear, then we have to use by distance formula for collinearity or collinear, we use 3 formula, that is if AB plus BC is equal to lambda times AC, or AB plus AC is also lambda times BC, or third BC plus AC is also equal to lambda times AB. Now look here, that is AB is equal to root 5, BC is equal to root 2 root mein 53, and this can also be written as only, that is root mein 265. No any 2, sum of any 2 is also equal to 3. Therefore here AB plus BC is equal to root 5 plus 2 root mein 53, and which is not equal to root mein 265. Therefore AB plus BC is not equal to CA, so it is not collinear. This is our answer. So these 3 points are not collinear. If we have to use the distance formula, then we use 3 formulas for collinearity, and these 3, anyone cannot satisfy these 3 points and the distance between them, so this is not collinear. Thank you.